What's good? What's up? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another, I think I'm gonna name these in the making vlog. Today we will be on to the next. I'm gonna take a break from Adidas items because I've done 2 Adidas items already because I just need a break. I'm tired of seeing stripes. I'm tired of working the stripes into my outfit. So today we're gonna do some pants. Okay, we're gonna stretch ourselves. We're gonna work on some jeans. Yay! Just know that I am on my last sewing needle, so these jeans better not break it. I have these jeans that I got from Old Navy and I don't really like the way they fit anymore. I'm kind of over them. They're not my favorite pair of jeans. So we're going to be turning these jeans into some elevated, nice, flowy pants. I'm going to be combining these jeans with some white pants. So it should be a fun time. It should be super cool, cute. I do have a sketch, but the sketch isn't done. But I'm starting to like play with the sketches on my iPad. So if you guys would like a video about how I draw on my iPad and how I do my sketches on my iPad, let me know. So I'm gonna cut these jeans open. Hopefully I don't regret that. But I don't even know what size these jeans are, but I kind of already took them in. So I'm gonna take that out first. Got my trusty dusty seam ripper, and I'm just gonna take out what I already took in. Bruh, how much did I take these jeans in? That's the problem. I thought I was getting, well, I mean, I guess I did get big. JK, I'm losing weight. By the way, I started working out twice a day. Whenever you're taking in pants, remember that you should not take them in to the exact right size because you might grow. I took this in like an inch. If y'all hear my dryer, ignore it. And I'm not even gonna fast forward this because I want you guys to know how long this is taking me. So I think I'm finally done. But let me show you guys my inspiration pictures, right? Can you see that? Like that, but like cuter, but cuter. And I want it to be like a paper bag waist. So kind of like this, because this is super cute. And this is chic. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just about to take away the back from the front. I'm gonna just cut it because I don't have time to be seam ripping no jeans. So I got my fabric scissors.
Perfect.
Okay, one leg fully open. Let's go over here.
Perfect.
Yeah, so this is basically all I'm doing. I'm just gonna open up the sides because I only want the inners. And the outers are gonna be something else. Right now I'm gonna seam rip my pockets off because that is what needs to come next. Now we got something going, y'all. Now we got something going. Alright you guys, so these are the other pants I'm using. As you can see, they're like kind of old. Don't judge them. They've been sitting in the back of my closet because they are way too big. So basically I did the exact opposite with these pants. So of course you don't have to do them with mixing materials. You can do this with 2 pair of jeans and you would just do it the exact same way. So on my pair of jeans, I cut them on the sides, but on these pants, I cut them down the middle, and I even took out the zipper that it had. Now I'm going to use the 2 different sides from here, so it's going to be like half and half. I can kind of show you my sketch that I'm working on right now. This is my sketch. I want the jean part in the middle, and I want the sides to be white. So that's not done, but that's just a little rough sketch of what I'm trying to get at here. Feel me? Like, are you getting it? I know you do because you're smart. So this is legitimately how it's supposed to look, kind of like this. I'm super excited for this. So my next step is going to be like cutting this in half. So I'm going to cut off these edges right here. I'm gonna fold these like this so both of the sides can be equal, and I'm gonna probably pin these together. But I'm trying to keep this middle part right here, so I'm gonna just cut the outside of them. I cut off my pockets, so that is lit.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Alright y'all, so like I always like to say, it's better to make something too big than too small. So these are how big my pants are. And so basically I just pinned it together to see how it was looking. Tomorrow I'm just going to come in and basically take this in a little bit, probably like halfway. I'm going to cut more off of that. So basically we're at a good starting point. It's starting to look how I need it to look, but we're not there yet. So tomorrow I'm just going to make it smaller, and it should be really easy, super quick. As you can see, it took me literally no time to put the two pieces together. Because right now I'm going to just unpin and repin. Guys, so this is how we're looking right now from the side. And right now I just have it pinned, but I'm about to sew it up because it's going to help me see everything better. I don't know, I think the back is kind of cool. They're not perfect, but it's going to work. So right now I'm just about to sew this up. Alright y'all, so these are currently how the pants are looking. I like them. I'm not even mad at it. I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna add the pockets back, and I want to make like a slit in the side. Or do you guys think I should make a slit in the side?
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Alright you guys, so this is the slits that I have going on right now. I think it looks so good. So now I'm just about to work on my pockets next. So that's what you're gonna see me do after I sew this. Alright y'all, so you have to remember to always iron your seams. That is a pro tip because it's gonna help you to get it very, very accurate and make everything neater. So right now I'm just testing the temperature of my iron on some scrap material. Never start ironing just on your garment because you could mess it up, burn it, all that stuff. So it looks okay. Make sure you take all your pins out, of course, before you do this. I'm also going to iron my jeans straight because I never did that. So whenever I re-hem them, it's not a problem. Look how much better that looks, y'all. It looks so good. Please don't mind my air conditioner in the back. It is hot in my craft room, aka my laundry room. But my next step is going to be working on these pockets. I do want to add the pockets back on there, but I want to add some razzle dazzle to them. So that should be super exciting. So I'm getting ready to do that right now.
Perfect.
Y'all, look how cute this is. I am shook. Okay, so I basically just pinned it down wherever I saw the outline of where the pocket was on the previous jeans, so that it'll be pretty equal. But I am loving how this is looking so far. So I have it all pinned down, and I'm just going to sew it. And I think I want to sew with white thread because I just want it to pop out. It's going to add some detail to the back. And I already showed you guys my hem and everything that I just ironed. And after that, I'm going to just be hemming the bottom of the pant. But I need to cut them straight because they look a little crazy right now. But this is my rolled hem, you guys. Okay, and this is how it's gonna look. Super nice. So I'm just about to sew this up. Alright, you guys, it's that time again. I'm ironing my last hem. Alright, you guys, so right here I'm about to cover the button with diamonds because you know I am extra. So I'm gonna use some felt because I feel like it's gonna be better than just trying to stick it to the surface. So I'm using my E6000 glue again. We're gonna let that dry for a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I am basically finished, but it's 9 o'clock at night, so I'm not gonna try them on right now. But your girl is basically done and I am in love. I got the diamonds on the button. I have the strap that was already on the pants. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else to that. Everything is hemmed. It's all nice and ironed, so I'll try these on for you tomorrow and we're gonna talk about our successes. This was fairly easy, so I'm so happy about that. So I'm gonna just stand in front of the Valentine's Day balloon because it's really not Valentine's Day anymore. But that is besides the point. The pants are finally finished. Look at them. The button came out great. First of all, I absolutely love them. They are the right amount of dressy and the right amount of casual, and they are definitely statement pants. Like, I love them so much. So let's talk about some successes. The pockets were definitely a success. The slits were a last minute success because I had no idea I wanted to do that. This was the easiest one so far. Some things that I didn't really think through, it wasn't really a failure, was the sizing of the two pieces. Most of my time was spent cutting it to fit me. I didn't make like a pattern of any sort, but once I got it, honey, we were good to go. I would also suggest make sure you guys are using the proper needle when doing this because you don't want to break your needle. I didn't break my needle, thank God. It would have been better if I would have had a jean needle to go through some of the bottom pieces when I was hemming and stuff because my needle was acting ratchet for this hem. But it's still really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it with the belt, but you're gonna see in the little try-on portion that I put a gold belt with it. So let me know if you make something like this. A lot of people are doing a lot of jean reconstruction, so that was my little dabble in it. I don't like to do what a lot of other people are doing, so I want to do something that was a little bit different because you already know I'm on to the next thing. I'm still currently in quarantine when this is being filmed, so I have nothing but free time on my hands. Let me know if you guys really are enjoying these videos, if you like the in the making, seeing me design, seeing my artistic side, seeing me doing what I love. If you're getting some inspiration, leave a comment down below. Holla at me in the comments. I always holla back. These are so fun to make, so more will be coming your way. I'll see you guys in my next video.